Hey, what's up? It's Premium Patty and I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Supreme Spring Summer 19 Week 6 Spring Tees, and I got 5 of them for you today. We're just going to get right into this. Ain't no point in wasting time. And I'll be showing you the stickers I get with them too. On this first package, we got a large Supreme Natural Persistent of Reality, I think. Persistence of Memory tee. Right there. See it right there. And it's size large, of course. Always size large or medium. Depends on how I'm feeling. But yeah, I'm gonna probably sell this one. I might keep one of these for personal. And also in that is this beautiful Who the Fuck is Supreme tee. Alright, this is size large 2, I believe. This is for resale. It's pretty fire. And in that, we got the bent sticker pack with Switchblade Susie, or Susie Switchblade, the whole Spanish thing. I didn't really like that too, and the regular BOGO. And then we just got our bag, of course. Okay, open this next package. I might take 1 or 2 of these tees out of the package depending on which one I keep. Alright, in this package we have the medium purple Molotov tee. I might just take this one out. We got that in this one. You know, that's for my friend. That's already sold. He already paid for it. I'll drop that off tomorrow. And the stickers for that, we have the Who the Fuck is Supreme sticker, the regular BOGO, and there's something else back here, but I'm not sure which one it is. It is the Molotov sticker. It's pretty fire. And now into the final package, which contains 2 more tees. I picked up 5 tees total, like I said earlier. In this package we have a black large Molotov tee. This one's probably gonna be for the personal, you know, just for the body, not for somebody. And then we also have the medium purple Susie Switchblade tee. You can see it's pretty fire. My favorite of the bunch is probably the Persistence of Memory tee. And in that package, we got the Spanish sticker again with the toy Uzi and the regular BOGO. So there's Switchblade Susie, or Susie Switchblade, my bad. There's the Spanish sticker. Molotov sticker. I like that design. Toy Uzi sticker in the orange. And then the favorite of the bunch, which I really wanted, is the Who the Fuck sticker. Big sticker, like this thing's, as you can tell, is like over double the size of the BOGO. This is my first time unboxing an actual tee and having it in hand. As you can see, got the big design all up on the front. Spells Supreme in the rocks down there. And this is like a solid graphic, like ain't no cracks in that. I think this is fire. I'm gonna have to keep this for the personal. You know, when I go to Florida this summer, it's gonna be thick, so I'm gonna be hot, and it's black, but I'm gonna rock it. But yeah, that's what I copped. So the Switchblade, Molotov medium purple, so the Switchblade medium purple. Who the fuck is Supreme? Large white. Natural Persistence of Memory tee. and the large black Molotov tee. Now, anything but the Molotov's tee will be on my Instagram at Indiana_Supreme15. Check me out on Insta. Make sure to like the video, comment something down in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe and follow that Insta if you want to buy any of these fire tees. And with that, I'm out.